Hello and welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna show you a new update on Canva. So if you go here, uh, may see different how, but you go and you click on more, and then you can go to course and make a course. So now you have it. So it's looking, and you cannot go to home. So if you go home and we search to search uh, course, it's not coming. It come up only there. I have have I have copied to my server. So if you want to reset this, you go to home page and you look like go to more and you may go to this. So that's for me, and I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe.